Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think that this is going to end up making three waves down for like an ABC of 4 before it heads back up to make the wave 5 to complete this very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly time frame, kind of seems like the wave B may be over. I think this is impulsive down A, three waves up B. It definitely did overshoot the 61%, but we do have a break of structure now, so I think there's a pretty good chance that we are going down for this wave C of wave 4 already. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, we do have lower highs that have been forming, so we've been looking for sorts pretty much ever since we started the lower highs on the daily. But now that it's actually going down and it's actually starting to break some of these structures, I think there's a pretty good chance that the wave B is over. Plus, relative to this move up, this move down is too big to be a correction within a uptrend anymore. So I think there's a good chance the wave B is over and that this is going to probably start making lower lows, lower highs for that big wave C of wave 4. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I was saying, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. I would only be looking to go short on pullbacks. So if it does start to move to the upside, I'm going to be very excited. Not to go long, but I'm going to be excited to go short at the end of the pullback for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So with the fact that the 1 hour has almost a perfect 5 waves down and we're sitting at a Fibonacci level, I do think there's a pretty good chance it will push up and probably even break these highs. But for me personally, as more of a swing slash day trader, I would much prefer for this to wait. I'd much prefer to wait for this to make a complete ABC crunch and then golfing down, add a Fibonacci retracement of this last push down before I take another sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.